trying to interpret. Keep it up!
Well, José is famous for, in his classes, emphasizing the distinction between practical and theoretical wisdom. For those of us who took his metaphysics class will remember with great fondness the story of Thales falling in the well and the slave girl laughing, in which the whole class then laughs, and José turns on the class and berates us for finding it funny. Because in fact, of course there's a distinction between practical and theoretical wisdom. So I just interpret this as saying, look, wisdom sans phrase, that strange French expression, which just means unqualifiedly, right, clearly will have to refer to both practical and theoretical wisdom. So if you qualify it with theoretical wisdom, then you don't have to draw the conclusion there's got to be, a practical application. But wisdom sans phrase clearly refers to both theoretical and practical wisdom. So if you recognize that there's two kinds of wisdom like that, that's where the practical stuff comes from. And I hope that's reconciled the views.
You said it means theoretical and practical union thereof, and it's attributed to that union that it must have practical consequences. Then you just said that theoretical wisdom must have practical consequences. If the union is the Boolean union that I think it is.
It's not a Boolean union.
Okay, well, we have an important deadline here.
No. As a tribute to linguistic philosophy. No. A purely technical. It is thus to be surmised that wisdom sans phrase. We've already agreed that the word wisdom can be used, that the word has an ambiguity about it. It can be referring to theoretical wisdom, it can be referring to practical. And now I make a purely linguistic point. It is thus to be, very cautiously, it is thus to be surmised that wisdom sans phrase, abstracting from the difference between theoretical and practical, is really a very narrow linguistic point.